My anxiety is a natural disaster. Every panic attack, a storm. It drowns me in paralysis. Itchy cotton, pebbles in my shoe. I want to get out of my own skin. My hurricane sends warning signs. Take cover, send for help. So you send me to therapy, tell me to pray. I ask God for the reason I can't catch my breath. Why my voice is a pot of tea left on the stove. A friend says these panic attacks are manipulation. That the storm is just a facade, is if I hold my tears in a jar and wait until you are near, load them like bullets, and empty myself into you. Forgive me. Mom, I miss you. I miss the evenings when you would braid my hair. I miss hearing your stories of passage, wandering continents to find our home. I'm sorry this ugly typhoon shattered the mirror, spilled the glass. My definition of beauty began with you. Every time you bought me a bouquet, I swallowed a garden of white roses. The thorns punctured my lungs, drowned me in petals. At least they look pretty, you would say. I am sorry to everyone my whirlwind has made homeless, to every relationship my storm has destroyed. Anxiety is more than nervousness. It's a mosaic of emotions I am not always ready to feel. A Russian roulette of the mind, scribbles littered on discarded pieces of notebook paper, scribbles in my hair, in my head, in my thoughts when I go to bed. Some days are better than others. Some days are blurry and weightless. I can be the calm before the crescendo, the quake before a moment of silence. I now know the reason storms are named after people. You can never predict how they act. Hi, my name's Aaliyah. I'm 18 and I'm a poet who loves to write. I spent a really long time pretending I didn't have anxiety. I'm having a conversation with my friend. And on the outside I'm fine, but on the inside I'm my palms are sweaty. I feel the way my socks are touching me right now and I want to throw up. I don't realize it's a panic attack. I think, oh my God, I'm having a heart attack. I'm about to die right now. The world is ending. We're humans really built to see so much suffering on such a grand scale on your tiny little phone screen. Every day you're mass consuming so much media. It's no wonder you're so anxious. It makes perfect sense. Islam has helped a lot on my journey of understanding my anxiety and helping. Mostly because a lot of my anxiety stems from this need and want to be in control of absolutely everything. So it has helped me a lot to know that I'm not supposed to be in control of everything. And please feel your feelings, because I promise you, if you keep bottling that stuff inside, what you leave unhealed is only gonna hurt other people in the end.